The Rundu Magistrates Court is divided into A, B and C courts. This month, the magistrates who presided over cases in both A and B courts were promoted and sent to other regions, leaving Rundu in a crisis with only a single magistrate. The Deputy Prosecutor General, Advocate Johan Pinar, said the shortage of magistrates is affecting delivery of justice.
Now the problem is that both A court and B court don't have magistrates. In Rundu, the population in the town of Rundu is high. Our reported cases is high. Cases which is still on the roll is high. So if we don't get a magistrate urgently for A court and B court, our roll will just increase and increase and increase, and it will not be proper service to the community of Rundu.
Advocate Pinar maintains that the non-availability of presiding magistrates at Rundu will have a knock-on effect affecting proceedings in the Kahenge Periodical Court in Kavango West Region.
So all cases which is this week in Kahenge Court is also being just postponed. We will not finalize anything. Same with A court. All cases will be postponed, nothing will be finalized. Same with B court. All cases postponed, nothing will be finalized. So it is for us really important to address this issue urgently so that we can have a magistrate for A and B court and then the periodical court of Kahenge.
Although the two posts were advertised last week, the delay in the recruitment process, which takes up to 3 to 4 months for vacant positions to be filled, will affect the day-to-day operations at the two courts. At the moment, the Rundu Magistrates Court is making use of the clerk of the court to preside over cases, but their powers are limited as they are unable to make any rulings or judgments, as their role is only limited to postponing cases. Meanwhile, local legal practitioners have also expressed concern as they are unable to take their clients for bail applications or any other urgent applications to be heard before court. Bernard Chachara indicated that the current status quo at Rundu Magistrate Court is infringing upon the accused person's right to a fair trial.
Really, the rights to fair trial sometimes is infringed in terms of the right to a speedy trial because cases cannot be finalized. For example, we have cases of periodical courts. You have Kahenge that does not have a magistrate now. That means even if you wanted to bring a bail application now, there is no one to do that bail application. And we have clients who are sitting there for the last 2 to 3 months. Now the fact that there's no magistrate, really their rights to bring a formal bail application, which is a right, it's violated in that regard. Because they are not heard before a magistrate who can determine whether they can be released on bail or not.
Chachara called for the appointment of relief magistrates in the meantime until such a time that the recruitment process is finalized, as the current status quo will exacerbate the already congested court roll. Wilfred Nyambe, NBC News, Rundu.